The North American Truck of the Year is the Ram 1500. Accepting the award for Ram is the best name in trucks, Reed Bigland.
I would like to thank all of the NACTOY judges for seeing in Ram what we at FCA have seen in Ram, and of course a special recognition for all of the hardworking men and women at FCA that really brought this vehicle about, from our engineers to our designers to, of course, the people who are actually building this machine on the shop floor. Really, this recognition is for them. And I think what is perhaps most gratifying for me is consumers are also seeing what the judges have seen in this vehicle.
Well, I think it's further confirmation that we're absolutely on the right track. 2018 was a great year for Ram 1500 and the launch of our new truck, picking up Motor Trend Truck of the Year, awards 10 Best Interiors, and now North American Truck of the Year. So it means an expansion of our toolkit, but I think it's also, reinforcement that we've got a great truck on our hands.
The number one thing that sold me on the vehicle is the ride quality. It's head and shoulders, I think, above the competition in that regard, and also the interior quality. It's just a great truck.